alaikum. I am Abdullah Salem from grade 7A. My teacher Fayazuddin asked me to do a project for biology. So, today we will talk about turgidity. What is turgidity? When plant cells are placed in water, the water enters the cell. This is because their cell sap contains a strong solution, so water passes into the cells by osmosis. The cell membrane is a partial permeable membrane. As water enters, it makes the cell swell up. The water pushes against the cell wall. Eventually, the cell contains as much water as it can hold. It's like a blown up balloon. The strong cell wall stops the cell bursting. We say that the cell is turgid. See the picture and hope well. Turgidity, when the cells are fully swollen and when no more water can enter the cell, such a cell cannot accommodate any more water and is called turgid, and the condition is called turgidity. Can you think why turgid cells are useful to plants? Turgid cells the plant support, they keep the stems of many plants upright. But what happens when these cells lose water? The cells are no longer firm and turgid. Plants' stems that have lost water wilt. Finally, know that all plants are God creates and that they have their secrets and miracles, so we must always praise and thank Him.